moistens. It warms and moistens the trachea, the air goes down. Yeah, the trachea divides into primary bronchus too, and you know it do. Yeah, lateral tertiary too, and then branching narrow tubes, bronchioles. Let's go! Respiratory system is made of your lungs and passages that lead them oxygen to blood. It travels round your body, organs, everyone. Breathe out gas, carbon, and these are the lungs. And these are the lungs. That's right, it's the lungs. Respiratory system.
All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another day of an amazing human body. I am excited to be here with you and to share some more information about the human body systems. I am Mrs. Lemons, 5th grade teacher here at Virtual Academy for Science, and I am here to tell you more about the amazing human body. Today, we are going to be studying about another human body system, and you may have already guessed it. What is it? The respiratory system. Respiratory system, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Well, you might have already guessed. The function of the respiratory system is to move oxygen from the outside environment in the atmosphere into the body and removes carbon dioxide and water from the body. That's the goal of the respiratory system, okay? And so if you look at your PowerPoint this week, it will give you the directions and the flow of how air moves in and out of your body. How do you breathe? How do you inhale? How do you exhale? And it's also going to talk to you about the structure of your lungs. Please take some time to go through that PowerPoint so you can see a visual of how the amazing respiratory system works. You need to understand that the respiratory system takes in oxygen from the air that you breathe, and the lungs are the main organ of the respiratory system. So your lungs are being protected by your skeletal system, right? However, the lungs are the major organ of the respiratory system. The respiratory process is when you inhale, you breathe in, air enters your body through your nose and your mouth, right? The air moves down your throat and passes through your trachea, also known as your windpipe, and it goes down to your lungs. Oxygen is taken into your body, and carbon dioxide leaves your body through tiny structures in the lungs. Your lungs have tiny little structures in them, which allows the carbon dioxide to lead out of your body. Carbon dioxide is then removed from your body as you are exhale or breathe out. You inhale, you exhale, okay? Then it talks about the diaphragm, especially if you've been in music class. The music teacher may say, sing from your diaphragm. It is a thin sheet that lies below the lungs, and the diaphragm and the muscles attached to your ribs, they tighten to relax and make you breathe in and breathe out. So it sounds like your respiratory system works along with another system. And what system is that you might have picked up on? If you said your muscular system, you are correct, because your muscles are attached to a part of your respiratory system, which is your diaphragm, and allows you to breathe in and breathe out. It's a muscle that breathes in and breathes out. It allows you to inhale and exhale. That is a muscle that allows you to do that, and it's all in your respiratory system. If you go down in your notes, you're able to see visuals and get a little bit closer, than you can see the definitions of each one of those organs within each one of your body systems. So that's just a little bit about today, the respiratory system. Next, we're going to get into one more system, And you might have already guessed it because you're saying, when are we ever going to learn about the digestive system? Well, let's learn about it today. Let's talk about the digestive system. But before we do that, you know what I want to do. I want to take a quick little break, okay? Because that break is going to give us an opportunity to get a little song in. Let's get a little wiggle room in. Go ahead and stand up and let's utilize some of those body systems, all right? So let's get into the digestive system.
Yo, this is Paige. Let's kick it. Digestive system. Digestive system. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. I am back with my digestive system, something that is packed very tightly, working my body daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Water is absorbed and I'll go to the extreme. My stomach breaks it down, and when I let it out, I laugh like a clown. Chew. It starts in the mouth, then it works its way down the long food valve, stomach, and starts breaking down in time. From then on, it's known as chyme. Small intestine breaks it down, you gain weight. Large intestine absorbs water, you can't wait. Sometimes so hot you can boil it out of the anus and into the toilet. Digestive system. It's our time.
All right, boys and girls, that was just a quick little break, and that was a little break to talk about the digestive system, which you should have already known by now. So let's go into our notes and see what we can learn about the digestive system as it goes right along with the PowerPoint presentation. And so let's talk about the digestive system. The digestive system, as you might have just heard in the small little rap, is that your body needs nutrients and energy to stay alive, and you get those nutrients from the things you eat, which is why it's important to eat healthy, like fruits and vegetables, leafy things, because those things are going to give you energy. Well, however, you're going to have to find a way to get those nutrients into your body, so you have to have the digestive system to break that food down so your body can use it. It's very important for you to know, as the rapper said, you need to know that digestion begins in the mouth. It begins when you chew. I want you to maybe grab something to eat, and I want you to probably follow the process of digestion. And don't talk with your mouth full, of course, but I'm chewing a cracker right now. And the digestive system, the saliva in my mouth is going to mix with the cracker that is in my mouth. My teeth are going to grind it up. And of course, my tongue is going to shoot it back, and I'm going to swallow it. It's going to go down my esophagus and go into my stomach. The muscles, there's that muscular system working again with another body system, is going to turn the juices as well as the food in my stomach, and the food is going to pass through the small intestine where the digestive juices are going to start finishing digesting the food. Then it's going to go into the large intestine, and your large intestine is going to remove, it's going to squeeze all the water out of that food, and then what comes out is going to come out through what they call your rectum or your anus, and that is where you're going to poopy. And I know that sounds really funny, like, oh my gosh, you're talking about poopy, but it is a part of the human body. And so we want to use our maturity level to talk about the digestive system. The PowerPoint presentation goes with the same information that I just shared with you about digestion beginning in the mouth. Digestion is to break down food so that your body can use the nutrients that it carries. It's going to also help eliminate waste. You can't eat everything and then your body just store it for the rest of your life. We wouldn't be able to live and function properly. So it is very important for your digestive system to be working properly so that your body can take in nutrients and release waste. And so that your body is kind of like a recycling plant. It uses what it needs and It's like a recycling plant. And so anyhow, that's the digestive system, guys. I want you to take some time to go through the PowerPoint as well as to go through the science notes that are out there for you. And I hope you've had an amazing time learning about the human body and its amazing areas.